Hey guys, we're back at SSP, and I'm replacing this headlight on this side. I've already replaced the headlight on that side. The car was crashed and we put it all back together, so bear with me on how to get everything off to get to the headlight, because we still have a bumper to put on. So I'll show you guys how to take the bumper off or how to put a bumper back on, walk you guys through the steps of it. But right now, it's how to put the headlight back on the car, and it's the same way as it comes off the car. You have obviously a headlight bracket. On this specific model, it's a 17. 15 to 18, it's all the same. It requires you to put the bracket on the actual headlight itself, which is 3 number 10s. They have the little beveled lip to them. They attach to the headlight first. Okay. If you use power tools, don't be slamming the thing in, because you will break the bolts. You will strip the plastic. So after that's on, what I like to do is I'm gonna go ahead and plug the headlight in. Okay, it's a little tab you pull, slide out, headlight comes out. There's a lip right here that goes into here. So, like so, and then I'm gonna put my top bolt in over here. There's one bolt up here as required, and I'm gonna go ahead and line it up with everything else I got going on, and then tighten that guy there. Look. These guys need to come around the other way. Looks like the wires are routed a little different. Gotta make sure everything's happy, or else it's not going to be happy. Okay, there it goes. There we go. Now it's happy. Put this top bolt in. That guy's pretty happy. This guy's real happy. And the front's real happy. There's my mic. And then you got two 10s to go right here. Let's see. Get those in. All right. That's how you put a headlight on the car. If you got a broken headlight, you're gonna have to take it apart to get to it. And the one way to get to the headlight is to get the bumper off the car first. So once you get the bumper off, 1, 2, 3. There's the 4th one right here for the bracket that goes into the bracket. 4, 5. 5 bolts holds the headlight in. Okay. Get those 5 off, the headlight will come out, and going back in is exactly what I just did. Very simple. The bracket, the bumper slides into this bracket. It's separate from the headlight. So if your headlight's broken but bracket's broken, you need to order both of them. Now that's how you remove, replace, and reinstall a left headlight on a 17 Outback. And I think even the Touring model, which has got more computers and xenon and the LED lights, same exact thing, just has maybe more connections in the back. That's all. Pretty simple and easy to do. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to put this bumper back together.